Many customers hesitate to approve repairs because they do not fully understand the estimate. The parts may be unfamiliar, the labor may feel abstract, and the urgency may not be clear. In 2026, AI can help auto repair shops explain estimates in plain language. America's Best Shops encourages auto repair shops to use AI as a communication support tool, helping advisors turn technical recommendations into simple, understandable explanations. Instead of confusing the customer, the goal is to make them feel informed. Why is this repair needed now? What happens if it waits? What value does it protect? AI can help organize those answers clearly. This is especially valuable for shops that want better approval rates without using pressure tactics. When the customer understands the issue, the conversation gets easier. Better communication often means more trust, fewer objections, and faster decisions. Shops that explain well usually sell better. AI simply helps make that easier and more consistent across the team.